So, hello everyone. Previously, we have see how we can make get and post API endpoint, get and post endpoint in our fast API. So today we will gonna see how we can make uh, an update that is put and delete endpoint. So let's start. For the update endpoint, we will like put um, yeah, slash update endpoint. Yeah, great. So as we do the same the method put our URL that is slash product slash, remember, for like these things you need to have an ID. For function update product, mm, yes, good. For this you have to be like product, which is of some pedantic schema type, and product underscore ID, which is of string type. We have seen it in our here. Let me show you in our here. You can also do like you can copy paste the same thing, okay? But I'm not doing it because we know what is it. So now see, for here we need to have a model pedantic schema. So can we use this same one? The answer is no. Why? Because here every field is a required field. You can see in the field section we have written this this is required, and we have this ID thing, name, everything, okay? So if I walk you through the data what we have, here you can see we have data like in this shape. For some reason I am assuming ID we cannot change in the every case. Whatever the case, we cannot change the ID. For this particular instance, for our demonstration, I am assuming we are not changing this product name as well. So what we have fields to remaining for the change, it is price, checks, units, and available on. For the context, let me explain it. Price, the price can be dropped tomorrow. If any commodity is of 10,000 rupees today, it can be 5,000 rupees tomorrow, as for the depreciation implies on it. Okay. Tax can be varies. If anything comes under the 18% taxation slab today, it can become 29%, 28%, or can be 5, 15, anything. Units can be changed. You can have multiple number of units. You go in today, you have 5 pieces. Tomorrow, if you buy more 20 pieces, someone buys 10, you will get remain with 10. And this available on Amazon, Mintra. Suppose you unlist yourself from Mintra, so it will go away. So if we talk about on the broader terms, we can edit this for fields. So okay, great. Edit this for fields. For this, you need to have make a new model or a new pedantic schema. So what will you like? You update product, inherit from the base model, and like name annotated. Oh, sorry, we are not having name. Why I'm writing it? It is price. price, we are annotating it, it is float. Now as it is float, we have to make it optional. I will tell you the reason why we have made it optional. Yeah, for optional, yes. Wait. Now field, you have to write default equal to none. Okay, this is the very simple. I have write it here. So why do we have write it optional? Because if you talk about four fields, price, tax, units are available on, the user may or may not be updated all at the once, or may not update at the once. Only price got updated, only unit got updated, only the available platform got updated. So yeah. So let me write the complete one. Uh, I have written the complete model. Let me paste it over here. Yeah, so see what I have done. I just copy paste the this above the all of this. I just copy pasted. I just remove the ID and name part and just wrap all of these data types in. Okay, oh sorry, just wrapped all of these data types into optional, and for their default value we have to define none. Okay, great. Wait, and for the optional, remember you have to import option from the typing module. Here you can see it. If you guys want, let me zoom it. You can see optional from the typing module. This is our, okay, this might look very huge, but the main part of this is only this. Mm, field default none. The main part is this is just for the documentation, like our schema will how it will look in the documentation. No nothing to worry about it. Let's come back to our, let me just do one thing. Let me copy this. Let me copy this and paste in our at it, as it will make our documentation much prettier. Yeah, this whole part. Mm, Need a backspace over here. Now we are good to go. And for this, let's replace it with update product. Will I get suggestion? Yeah, I do. So yeah, let's jump in over here. So first of all, what we have to do, you all know, we have to load our data. Data is there. Now, first of all, what we have to check for updating our resource. We have to check whether the resource is in our data or not. If product underscore ID, sorry, not in data, then what we have to do, we have to raise exception. What exception? HTTP exception with status code for no resource found. What we have to write? 404. Very good. 404. Sorry, for the detail, will I get any, suggestion. Yeah, for the detail, we will like product not found. Wait, beautiful, beautiful. So now let's go further. So first of all, what we have to do, we have load our data. Very great. We have to fetch the old data from it as we are comparing our two datas. So what we'll do, like if I write the comments over it, load data. Don't assume this is how we are doing in the real world. Real world is much different from it, but from your idea, I'm doing this. Uh, check whether the res resource is in the what happened. Sorry. Check whether the resource is in the data or not. Okay, we have checked here. Now for this, now we have to get the required data from the whole data to update it. So what we have, we like it like old underscore data with data. What we have, product underscore ID. Yes. For the new data, you have to like convert new data into dictionary object so that we can have the operation perform on it. Don't mind my comment. You can. Okay. So new underscore data. So what is our new data? Product. Product is our new data. Dot for converting into uh, dictionary. We will do model dump. Now there's a one thing we have to do. We have to exclude unset. Now what this line does, exclude unset true. So as you see, if I provide only the price, then my text units and available on will get none as there is default value none. You can see default value none. Okay. So what this unset true does, it makes that all uh, exclude that old records from my dictionary. So if I talk about like this, 1, 3, if I have only change in the price of the product, the dictionary will become like dictionary will become like This is how it will become. Instead of, you get it? What I'm trying to do over here. Okay. So yes, now if you can see over here, we have our old data, our new data. So what we will do, we will run a loop for key comma value in new data dot items. Items, okay. We will have, what we will have, all data key value. So if you see closely what is going on here, what is going on here? Suppose I am having my old object. Old object will have all these values. All of these values is values these. But if my new object came in here picture, like this is my new object, it came in the picture. So this is the key, this is the value. So what it will do, it will take my old object. If you wanna take how is my old object, what is my old object? So my old object is data product ID. So this line signifies this. Okay, this is signifies this all. Hope you understand this. So yeah, that's how we done. We have all data value updated. So yes, we have done our work. We have updated the old data value successfully. What is our old data? Old data is data product ID. So our product ID is updated successfully. Our product updated successfully. So what we'll do here now, we have to now save our data. Save data. So before that you have to like product ID. We have assigned all values of the all data to the product ID. So we will do save our data with data. Is this the correct function I am using? Let's go above and see what is the function name we are using. Yeah, save data, correct. Okay, done. Everything is done now. So now just return a message. And, why JSON response? Yeah, JSON response status code. Yeah, status code 200. Content. Content is dictionary. Message product updated successfully. Now, sorry, for data I have to like data product underscore ID. Are we to test it? So now test it. So let's start our server then. So for starting the server, you all know what we have to do. By now, you all must know what we have to do. We have to first go to our fourth directory, I believe. Yes, correct, fourth directory. So uv con main app dash reload. Okay, it ran. Oh, there's an error. App.pu. Okay, sorry. There's a typo. Let me go and fix it quickly. Okay, great. Okay, it ran again. Oh, it ran twice. There's something has happened. Product string path ID of the deprecated. What is deprecated, man? Has deprecated. Example. Okay, example has deprecated. No worries, no worries. Okay, let's open our server by the server link. Let me open it in the VS Code itself. Here it is. Yes, you guys can see it ran. Okay, let's go to our documentation. What we are here for, docs. Great, 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 great. Let me just do one thing. Let me just close this. Yeah. Don't terminate terminal, just to close the window. We have get post put. So first of all, let get our some data. Oh, so you can see what we have. Okay, let update this P1. For P1, let make this price 140 rupees. Hmm, okay, is the second API. Yeah, here it is, put. try it out. You can see our beautiful documentation. We have to write P1. P1, great, great. Now for this everything. We don't need all of this. Now you see one thing. The things we have mentioned only in the update schema, we only have those. 40. We need to remove all of these things. If you work with the postman, you will only send one thing, but as we are using Swagger, so we have to do this. We updated the price. I think it's got updated. Status quo 200. Our yeah, here is our message. Product got updated. This price. You can see we have a completed there. Now if we go back on our get endpoint, why it is not scrolling? Yeah, get endpoint. We hit it again. Now if you see in here, you will see price are updated. And that's how you can update any of the field that what we have mentioned in the update schema. So let's now, here also you can see the logs are here. Process completed. One, okay, all of this. Okay, okay. Yeah, you can see get, put, and get. Get 200, okay, 200, okay, 200, okay, everything running great, great, great. Now let's stop our server. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Now let's talk about the delete endpoint. So for the delete endpoint, we have nothing to do much. We just have to write some basic syntax code. Very simple. We have to first, we have to like app.delete delete our endpoint product slash product ID. Okay, product ID string. So what we have to do, we have to load the data. We have to load data. We have to write the if product ID not in data trace HTTP exception. What is exception status code? Will appear, yeah, status code 404. Uh, detail we will write product not found. Great. What we have got wrong here? Erase. Okay. So we have to do. Oh, sorry. Del data mm, product ID and we have to return JSON JSON response with status code status code 200, and content, yeah, content is message product deleted successfully. Here you don't have to return the data object, as you don't have any data object. Okay, now let's test it quickly. uh, Run directly. Yeah, here's the command. Is there any, yeah, what's the issue? Oh, sorry, I have not delete. What is delete? It should be delete. Delete. Yeah, very well. Let's run our server again. Attribute error. What is attribute error, man? Fast API. I think I have wrote something wrong again. Mm, yes. Now it is correct, I guess. So here, where it goes, here it is. So yeah, let's go on it. Docs. As you can see, we have delete endpoint. Let's try it out. Let's delete P6, I guess. We have P6. Let's test. Do we have P6 in our database? Let's try it out. Yeah. Do we have P6? P6, P6. What is the last record we have? We have P6. Okay. We are good to go to delete this P6. Mm, yes, P6. Let's delete it. What we have? 200 message product got deleted. Okay, great, very great. Now let's run it again, whether our data got deleted or not. You can see it now. Mm, Last report we do have P6. Why do we have P6 again? Let me have a check in here. We do have P6 over here. I think we have done something. We are missing something. Let me just check. Give me a moment. Give me a moment, guys. Let me check what we are missing. Sorry, guys. I forgot to save the data. So here after this, we have to save the data. save underscore data. Okay, server will get reboot. Yeah, fine. Now, if we talk about this, let's go on our endpoint p6. Okay, see, it's deleted from here. Now, if we see here, we have last entry as mm, p5. Yes, you can see it here. We have last entry as p5. So that's all, guys. Let me just show you once for the get API as well if you are thinking we are tricking something. So yeah, you can also see the last record is p5. So yeah, guys, that's all for this video. We'll come up with the next video where we are using a real database instead of this made on JSON file. So I will put the this uh, code in the description. You will get the GitHub over here. So you will find it. Currently, I'm busy on a project, so we'll post that project soon. Yeah, goodbye, guys.